In this Cineversity quick tip, we're going to take a quick look at the new compact mode in the Cinema 4D Release 18 color chooser. Now, Release 17 introduced this new color chooser that has lots of great options, like the opportunity to choose colors based on the color wheel with split and complementary and analogous colors. You can use a spectrum or even choose your colors from an image. You can also enable RGB, HSV, and Kelvin sliders, as well as this color mix option. And there's a full swatches palette as well as an eyedropper. And you can actually combine multiple modes, like for instance enabling both RGB, HSV, and the spectrum. And this basically gives you more or less the same color options that you had in Release 16 and prior. But the problem is that this takes up quite a bit of space. And one of the main pieces of user feedback that Maxon received on the color chooser is that it takes up just too much space. And so they introduced this new compact mode in Release 18. And this basically takes those same three modes, the spectrum, the RGB, and the HSV sliders, and compresses them into more or less the same type layout and space as we had in Release 16 and prior. But you still have the opportunity to switch back into the full color chooser with all of the great modes. So you just go into the compact mode by clicking this icon right there. And also within the compact mode, you can still access the swatches and the eyedropper tool in order to pick a new color. Now, if you like the compact mode and you would like Cinema 4D to always default to that mode, you can set that within the preferences. Just go into the general preferences and switch into the units tab, and under the default set options here, just enable compact mode. You'll need to restart in order for that change to take effect, and once you do, all of your color choosers will start in compact mode. So that's how you can use compact mode in the Cinema 4D Release 18 color chooser to quickly adjust the RGB and HSV spectrum of your colors. In the coming days, we'll have a few more quick tips showing some of the other new options in the color chooser in Cinema 4D Release 18. If you enjoyed this quick tip, please like, share, and visit Cineversity.com for more great tutorials and resources.